On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. How we doing? Happy long weekend, everybody. We don't take long weekends. We have a home and we take rocks in the head. I guess I better. I got a big rock in the head, guys. I was using my trimmer. Flipped it upside down, was doing the edge. And then it grabbed a rock and slung it. And that, guys, I landscaped for like 3 years. And never have I ever slung, like, full on one big ass chunk of rock. Didn't see it was in the grass. Right in the forehead. Like blunt force trauma. Started gushing. And now I'm wearing a hat. Let's jump into the chat. My God. Shout out to weed whackers, man. Oh, man. Well, here we are. I mean, the weed whacker 1, AlexOCrypto 0. It was painful. I'm telling you, like, I've done a lot of landscaping, like a lot. And to have that happen, I mean, I was like shocked. I was like, what? I used to like shoot pine cones at like coworkers and stuff with the trimmers and stuff. But damn, that thing whooped my ass yesterday. Holy. Hopefully everybody's. I was like, is there a way I could take like an insurance claim out for my face on my live stream? Is there like I'm kidding. It ain't that precious. Come on. I only need one lady to sit on it. That's too far. It's too far. It's Friday, man. Happy long weekend. Happy July 4th weekend, everybody. Canada Day weekend, all that good stuff. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. And Bitcoin slow grind up right now. So are we going to take a trade today? We'll see. I mean, you guys should have been long in VWAP here. We're a bit overextended now. We should be looking to short, really. Bitcoin flying. Yesterday was a very choppy day. I ended up being on top a couple. I think I made 2,000 yesterday. My account's at 43,300. I was down initially. As you guys seen, I took that $2,000 loss live, and then I battled back. $800 win, $500 win, and then the rest is history. I had to take a little break, came back, whooped some ass. We got long at Solana and got stopped out during the live stream in here, and then we caught VWAP 3 times yesterday. So it was like 1, 2, 3. Pay me, baby, right? So Solana VWAP was nice to us, at least. Caught it for a couple thousands here, down at 70. What did I guess? $80.16. Right, there's that trade, showing the trades, taking the trades. You know how we roll here, guys. Right? There's that trade, 81. Yeah. Good. So battled back. Not the greatest trading week. I think I'm up. Yeah, so I started around 34,000. So I'm up $9,000 for the week so far. Not one of my greatest weeks. Let's put it that way. I have over traded a bit this week, I think. That would be my downfall. But I mean, am I the guy on the internet complaining about doing $9,000 in a week? Yes, I am. I mean, I'm averaging more so around 15 to 20K weeks. I mean, there's still 3 days left, but we'll see. I think, it's been a little bit choppy, a little bit over trading, a little bit, in reflection. It's always good to reflect, but a good week nonetheless. It's good to see you guys. How are you guys all doing? How was your trading week this week? Thank you for being here on the live stream. Down, up 44%. That's actually higher. Like the average is around 40, 42, 44. That's awesome. Good work, guys. I reset up my desk. So because in my old place I was against a wall, I couldn't put my monitors as far back, so I've moved my camera back. I've moved my arm back. I've added a light behind my head here. That's how they said to do it on AI. They said put a fill light here, a headlight here, and then a key light here. So I got all these fucking lights, man. I feel like I'm in a, dentist. But we're here. Hopefully it looks good. I got the mic arm coming from the side now rather than from below. Hopefully it looks a little bit better. I know the mic sounds better. I've heard it. I listened to it, so happy days. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful morning. Looks like we are continuing up. Good morning, Misanthropic. How you doing? I haven't seen you in a while. Much love. God bless you. Hopefully you're having a beautiful week and a long weekend up ahead. Anybody, let me know in the chat. What do you guys have planned for this weekend? I have to go and close my old apartment on Saturday. We're supposed to have like a pancake morning here in my neighborhood, and I'm going to miss it because I got to go and give the keys back to my old apartment and say goodbye. Duality, Keen Bean, Alexandra G. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. Good morning, Balva Neck. Good morning from Czechia. Good morning, Decent Crypto. How you doing, Chris? JR Prince, Marius, Duality C, Shri, and Pandy. Good morning, Mike. How you doing, Mike? Much love, bro. Shri and gang. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Can we continue here? Oof. Up only. I think face is long. ETH has been doing really well. Look at this. This is just grinding up. Coming for that SFP right now on Bitcoin. Want to see how it reacts here. Obviously, the way we've moved up is a pretty aggressive move here on the 12-minute. We can see that we do have that, liquidity that has been created on the way up here. So we would be looking to short back into this. However, right now this is a nice move up. Nice and steady here. VWAP holding, pushing up, coming for the liquidity here. Target has always been 63,000 if you are new here. So we'll see. I mean, the gang got long at the lows, guys. I mean, we all took the long here. Okay, the proof was in the pudding. Then we also took the long here. So, like, I don't know what else to say. We have crushed it. Okay, we might not have taken as much profits as we wanted to. But in hindsight, we have done a really good job on execution this week. For me, it's been the trades in between the good trades, right? It's always the trades between the good trades, right? It's always the trades between the like A plus setups. It's always the B plus setups. How are you executing along those? Is it you over risking? Yada yada yada. That really defines your week, and defines your month, right? Like it's all nice to say, hey man, we've done really good this week, but how's your month looking, right? Last month we managed to do about $80,000 trading, right? Around there. It's a really good month for me. So that's it. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Mike Vollmer, Bearded Mac, Marine Mike, good to see you. Steak weekend. Let's go, baby. I'm overdue for a steak. I agree on that. Steaks be costing you about 5 arms and a leg. Not just an arm and a leg anymore. It's about 5 arms and a leg. Those like precious Canadian beef cows, man. Bearded Mac. I think I'm going to buy a quarter cow, though. Eric the Red, Bearded Mac, Marine Mike, good to see you. Where are we going? We're going up right now. We're coming into liquidity up at the highs, though, so could get a little bit turbulent up here, so a little bit of patience. NASDAQ, pump and dump. Very, very weird behavior here on the NASDAQ. Pump and dump. Volatile. We'll see. This is kind of like our only hopium of some action. We can see getting a little bit toppy. 3 drives up at the highs, right? We just need mitigation for rotation down, right? So we would need to lose these lows. In my opinion right now, we do have bearish divergence up here as well. So if this and that. Right now, you can top blast if you want. I'm going to say good morning to the rest of the people in here. I think Dave Digital came out with a new Otter Gang song, man. I think it's fire. You guys got to give me a rating here. Let's play the new Otter Gang song. I think it's good. Otter Gang for Life, it's called. Let me know what you think in the chat out of 10. Give this a rating out of 10, and I'll say good morning to you guys.
It's an Otter Gang life for us. It's an Otter Gang life
All right.
Instead of top blasting,
take base hits.
instead of round tripping,
Good morning, Eric. Good to see you. Duality. Wayne. Marine Mike got wood. Curbstar. Terry. Good morning. A to Ace, my man.
Get out of your wanking chariot today.
Vegas, what's going on?
Gang gets paid.
Morning, Francois. Vegas. G1. Fred. JR.
Slap to print the load, take the money and run. Watch it grow.
It's an Otter Gang life for us. It's an Otter Gang life for us.
Bearded Mac. AlexOCrypto. What's going on, Dano? Hopefully you're doing well. Curbstar. Spiritual. Berserker.
Lord leads the way. Take the pink box every day. Sweep the lows, get the friction on. Take the money.
Vollmer, how you doing, bro? Piper. Noodle slap.
Pre-rich in this place. Don't let the market punch you in the face.
It's an Otter Gang life for us. It's an Otter Gang life for us.
Norman Frog Time. Good morning, Doms.
Instead of round
Duality.
it's another game.
Otter Gang life.
What did Ronaldo do?
Take the bits.
Take the bits.
Take the bits.
Otter gang.
With an orange hoodie. The boomers are out.
It's an Otter Gang life for us.
Instead of top blasting,
Take base hits.
instead of round
Subscribe.
Take the bits. It's an Otter Gang.
live.
I always need it. I always need a rest, dude. Happy Friday, everybody.
Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital.
Jackson. Can you check grass? I don't want to go outside right now.
It's an honor gang.
On the way to Salt Lake City. Nice, man.
It's an honor gang.
Watch Colombia versus Ghana. Thank you, Dave. Let's put some Dave Digitals in the chat, man. God bless you. Double D's in the chat. Pretty cool song, man. It's kind of like happy, you know? I like it that because it's happy. It's a nice Friday song. Faces in a 4 million trade. Yeah, I saw that, man. Faces a hell of a trader. I ain't ready for that 4 million position size. I've only gone 2.5 mil. That's the biggest I've done. And I'm telling you, my Kula went like this. It goes down like $4,000 in like 3 seconds. We'll get there, guys. We'll get there. I mean, I'm still trading like 500, 800,000 position size. So nice roll over here. NASDAQ telling the story a little bit here. Not taking that liquidity. Could continue to bounce here and push up. Order block retest continuation up. Needs to, like we said, it needs to mitigate the low here in order for us to justify taking a trade. Wait, you're up 30% for the month? No, not at all, JR. What do you mean 30%? Oh, because of the 400K account. Yeah, I mean, depends on how you look at it, but yeah. Not 30%. 25? 400 divided by 80. Yeah. It's 5. Sweep down. Yeah, so I'm up like 20%. What? For the month. Well, last month, right? I did 20% last month. I haven't decided to like increase my trading account. I mean, it's large, so I don't think I need to make it any bigger. I don't keep it all on the exchange, obviously. That would be retarded. I like this rotation down. Solana's sweeping the lows right now. Potential long opportunity here on Solana. I want to see how it reacts. NASDAQ's still rolling over, though. NASDAQ coming back into the range. We don't have market open today, too, so it's going to be a little bit challenging. How are they going to front? This is weekend price action already, guys. They're front running the SFP. No trade here. Still waiting. Besides that, Vegas misses it by $50. Yeah. Well, I mean, they're front running. Bless you, Alexandra G. Hey, Rashad. Hey, Kevin. How's it going? Tom G's. Eero. Good morning. Bearded Mac. Chris Reitz. Solio. Cashola. Good morning, big dog. Good to see you, bro. God bless. I ain't that big, man. I'm like little dog. I'm like one of those little chihuahuas who bite your ankle, you know? It's the fight in the dog, though, right? It's the fight It's the fight in the dog. Have you heard ACEH? No. Dave Digital. Tens for Dave Digital. Gang, gang, gang. 9 sounds like Jay-Z's Hard Knock Life. Yeah, a little bit. It's yeah, a little bit. Dave Digital, baby. Listen to this and talks over the whole thing. That's me, man. Welcome to the show. Puckered for days. Yes. USA versus Belgium. Who wins? USA, unfortunately. But fortunately. Hula was blowing kisses. Do you look at lower time frames or do you do higher time frames? We do it all, man. Yeah, we do top-down analysis here, but we scalp live. I mostly scalp. The Discord's in a swing long on some altcoins right now. I shall not tell you which ones, because that's for them. But altcoins could pop this weekend, man. Celestia moving. Fart coin, my favorite coin. Set it to Wave Safer. Pengu's back at. You're getting some rotation here. Yeah. Tesla, big dump yesterday. I bought more. Maybe I'm crazy. SpaceX did well yesterday as well. We have no stock market today, everybody. So Sui's so beaten up, man. Sui needs to get going here. If you look at this, right? So every token has done this. They've dumped the big dump, the consolidation, and then the dump again. Okay, and they're below here. So you got your accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay. That would be your idea for a lot of these things, for them to potentially reclaim and push. Okay, that's the hopium. Right? That's the hopium. Does it happen? I mean, you might as well buy Cardano then. Right? If you look at tokens that are performing better, if we go over to Solana, okay, and I know it's busy here. Where's Solana? So you see Solana's back up to reclaiming the range. ADA's still down here. Sui's still down here, right? At least Solana has shown you it's got a little bit of legs potentially here. If we can reclaim and push and come into the imbalance up here, that'd be gangsta. That'd be awesome, right? However, they still got a lot of work to do, man. A lot of work. But you can see how fast it does happen. So, you know, the bottom, I'm not convinced yet it's in. Just not convinced. The low that we took here on Bitcoin was good, but it wasn't great. When you look at bottoms and how they form, I would say this is like a B tier bottom. This sweep here, we did long it. We did trade it, and we did do well. Okay, we're all prepared. But I don't think this is it. It's weak sauce. Like, there's violence here, but there's not like capitulation violence. I think that comes in August, September. Maybe I'm wrong. That's okay to be wrong. I mean, I bought Solana. I did not buy any Bitcoin. I am not buying any. I'm holding 4 Bitcoin for my family forever, right? I've bought one for me, one for my wife, one for my son, and one if we have another child. And I bought those around 20,000. And they can stay there. I got other things to invest in right now. One of my biggest plays is definitely Solana. I bought heavy Solana at $64. I'm buying Tesla. I'm buying Micron. I'm buying Nvidia. I'm buying some other things too. some hedges as well against this bubble. But the bubble will keep on going, man. I think if you try to fade the bubble, you're either gonna miss out or get crushed. So you got to be diversified in your portfolio. If you do want to learn how to dollar cost average and buy, spot, you should be subscribed to Army Piper, and he'll show you the way, man. He does very well for himself. I've learned a lot from him because I listen. Right? I wouldn't know any of this, data crap if it wasn't for Army Piper. We have ISM services coming out next week. Not a bad week next week. I think it'll be a good trading week next week. It'll be lots of fun because it's pretty much a clear runway. FOMC minutes, but come on. I think next week will be lots of fun. This week has been fun. It's been a bit too choppy in my opinion this is jobs week, right? So we got unemployment, jolts, all that crap, right? It ends up being a little bit of a gong show. $9 G's on 30 G's. No. See, I only keep 30 G's on the account, man. Right? I have a $400,000 trading portfolio, but I don't keep that on the exchange. Are you kidding me? Right? Lizard people are coming out. Oh my God, Curtis, I'm so sorry, bro. What? That's crazy, man. The neighbor's dog whooped your cat? My God, God bless you, bro. You're in my prayers, bro. I'm sorry to hear that, Curtis Hill. Let's put some love in the chat for Curtis Hill, man. Jesus, man. I'd be fucking sorry. Somebody wouldn't have a dog anymore, I'm telling you that. Is there any news coming up? No. Probably Trump tweeting this long weekend, make America great again. Big Wick Energy. Yeah, they try to get us all excited here. Solana as well. Sweeping the lows. Coming into VWAP here. We wait. We wait because we are patient. We are patient. We have to be, especially on long weekends. You guys buying Cardano? AlexOCrypto is on a plane. I think he said that 3 times. So make sure you guys, let's put some planes in the chat for AlexOCrypto. Paper planes. 3 drives up at the highs, looking to mitigate the low right now. Bitcoin overextended, coming back, retesting highs here. Volume for this range. Obviously, we've pushed up here. Yeah, we are definitely looking here. What's this, a 1% move here? Yeah, not bad. Range low. Yeah, golden pocket-esque. Trying to push up. Nice grind up here, though. Solana looking good, too. ETH looking the best right now, and I hate ETH. I won't trade ETH. It's too choppy for me. Coming from a guy who trades Solana. Oh, man. Solana's been vicious lately, but my God, has it been ripping to the upside. You catch the lows on Solana, man. You getting paid. We've been doing that not so well this week. Okay, I missed it. I missed this move this week. I caught this one here, but yeah, I missed a couple. I got tilted in here. Yeah, so I've missed out on some ample opportunities for some good money on Solana, but that's okay. She still pays me well. You're a little behind on 2x. Let's go, Alexander G. My dude, I was in Afghanistan had a cat and his neighbor's dog killed it. He ran the dog down in his truck like 3 days later. Oh, that's lovely. People are, I don't know. We love you, Curtis. I once had so when I was a kid, I grew up with my cat. His name was Meow Meow. I will never have another cat in my life. Meow Meow was an alley cat. I used to back out onto an alley. I used to have like a 12-foot fence. He used to run along the top of the fence, jump off, and hit birds out of the air. He had like these massive paws. He had the like Wolverine face. So like my cat was like, it had the Wolverine. This part was black, and then he had like the white here. He was such a badass. Meow Meow. My nonno used to call him Houdini because he used to escape all the time. He lived to be 23 years old. He was about 30 pounds. Okay, he was huge. This cat was massive. And one time, a Rottweiler and a pit bull came into my backyard, which shouldn't have happened, but they got in, and they cornered him, and the pit bull got a hold of him by the top of the neck. And if you guys know, fucking a pity. My cat was cooked, right? And my mom's boyfriend at the time ran out and booted the dog in the head. And the cat did the cat thing and freaked out. Dogs ran off. And then the cat was gone for like 3 weeks every night. And I'm like grade 7, grade 8. So I'm like 12, right? It's my cat, right? Like I grew up with this cat. I love this cat. God bless him. I miss him. And gone for 3 weeks. Every night I go and walk out, meow, meow, running the whole neighborhood. I come home one day after school, and he's sitting on the porch there, just smiling. Fuck. You little bastard. My boy. Yeah. He loved peanut butter. You knew at the end of his life, you know, he wouldn't eat the peanut butter. You knew he was done. God bless animals. So one of these old Hells Angels guys, he told me, one guy I used to work with, he's like, it's how people treat animals and the elderly, right? It's very important. It defines a lot of character. I'm sorry for your loss, Curtis. God bless you, bro. Thank you for always showing up here, man. Shout out to Meow Meow. Alex, do you blindly short or long a 786, or do you always look for structure? Sometimes if you don't grab it quick, you miss the move. Yeah, so depends on what the Golden Pocket 786 and what time frame we're talking about, right? So with with this long here that we gave in advance, I waited for confirmation. We took this on the live with you guys, right? So swing low to swing high here. Golden Pocket, right? So I wait for structure a lot of the time, especially if it's like a 12-minute reversal trade, right? Aggressive continuation, I will initially long it as well. So like depending on the setup and the way price moves. So it's always about price action, right, guys? So the way price moves is very important, right? So you can have this. Let me do it this way. You can have this, right? And then you have this move in between, right? Right? So you'll have impulse 5-wave up, corrective 3-wave, 5-wave, right? And this could be, this internal here could be 3-minute structure following a 12-minute structure. That's why I always say I trade 3 to 12 to 1 to 4. That's how I teach it, right? So 3-minute, 12-minute, 1 through 4 hour bias, right? And then obviously trend is king on the top, right? So if we are let's say we bounced off a critical level down here, right? Check mark. Critical level, macro level, bounce. And we start melting face to the upside here. I will trade off of this swing low to swing high, and I will enter immediately a lot of the time. Okay, so I'll enter golden pocket, stop loss below the low, looking to get that move. When we are golden pocket, so let's get rid of that, right? So that's like impulsive continuation up, right? When we've, yet again, we got to make sure that we're hitting key levels and we're bouncing, right? We're looking for a higher low now. So on the 12-minute, swing low to swing high here, and we come into our golden pocket 786 here, right? I will wait for confirmation on a 3-minute, right? So whether it's a candle pattern or whatever, because if I'm looking for this move up, right, I don't mind catching a little bit late. What it allows me to do, okay, what it allows me to do, now I shouldn't be giving away all this sauce for free, is instead of taking a setup that looks like this, where I have a swing high to swing low here and my setup looks like this, it allows me to trade based off 3-minute structure in here. So let's say whatever, we get a bullish divergence in here, breakout, retest, go, right? It allows me to take the same trade, but with a better R multiple. So it allows me to protect my strong low below here and still target that high, but it lets me it allows me not to have a stop loss down here. It allows me to have a stop loss up here, which I make a lot more money from, right? Because I can hammer this trade with a bigger position size, because I'm trading the 12-minute golden pocket, but I'm confirming a 3-minute structure, and I'm looking to trade off of that. Okay? Now, if this thing starts ripping to the upside, right, and it starts going like this, right, I can go swing low to swing high here, golden pocket, entry, stop loss below here, and take that up. Okay? It's very important that you hit a key level, and it's very important that you are trading structure based, right? See in here, if we're reversing and we're looking for shorts, I still have to wait for this confirmation of a break here, right? If I get this break here, then I can impulsively take this continuation down. But I'm still aware that the 12-minute may still correct up here, and I'll go swing high to swing low here for my golden pocket. And like I just said, right, instead of taking this area in here for a short and having my stop loss all the way fucking up here and looking to target the liquidity of the lows, I can wait for 3-minute structure to confirm off of that 12-minute golden pocket area where I can have my stop loss like this. Does that make sense? There's your mini lesson today. This is a lot of the stuff I do in the Discord and teach you guys, but I can't give it all away for free because, you know, people pay for it because it works. We're always prepared. We have our key levels. You can come on here and copy my levels, but you know how to execute in those levels. You let me know. But hopefully that helps you. Good to see you, Vegas. Good to see you, Wayne. How you doing, Wayne? Getting those big old sandwiches for that football game the other day. Dominance dropping, alts ready to push. Yeah. She was definitely my daughter all day. Yesterday I heard her little voice. Aw, that's good, man. Have a cry, bro. You know what the thing about grief is? You know, the one thing I've learned about grief is you wouldn't have grief and disappointment if you didn't have something you already, you know, cherished and valued. So you should be grateful for the grief because of those memories and for that experience, right? You don't get grief if you didn't have something that was really good, right? That's how I feel about my grandfather, right? I mean, he's early on dementia and it's hard to watch, but I mean, it hurts so much because of how good of a relationship and how good of a person he was. You know, that's what grief is, right? It's hard to digest it like that, but that's how I try to frame it, and hopefully that helps you, man. But you only get it if it was good, right? if it was shit and it was a shit relationship, you don't mind. You don't think about it. You don't grieve over it. Right? You only grieve if it was awesome, right? So enjoy it. You know, I know it's hard. I mean, it's early days, but you gotta flip it on its head, right? Life is about a lot of things, right? Joy and pain, right? Those moments are so precious. That's why I'm so grateful to, you know, day trading and changing my career. I had 12-hour days in the construction fields, come home tired, and now I get to click a couple buttons, be here with you guys, and show up. You know, I show up a lot. I work hard every day, but I'm home, so I get to go and have lunch with my son. Right? I get to, you know, I can hear him fucking running upstairs right now. You know, that's the thing. You guys get me all mushy on a Friday. What the fuck? Oh man, God is good. God is good, man. Alex's Discord is the legitists. I love it, man. That's it. Sunny days wouldn't be so good if it wasn't for pain. I like the fair value gap here. I like this little gap here. Potential retest into this. Continuation down. No candle close below this low right now, so no trade. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 300 people on the live stream. We do have the giveaway today for Bitunix, so $2,000 giveaway for everybody. If you do want to sign up with the Bitunix link, I appreciate your support. Looks like we are rotating down right now. This was a sweep line, I'm pretty sure. What was this? Sweep of the high, yeah. This needs to go. Cloud in my judgment here. Chop at the top, guys. Retest of previous highs, continuation up on the higher term time frames. It's always important we zoom out, right? We are holding this uptrending momentum here quite nicely. We could go here and here instead. That's probably a little bit more accurate. We're going to come into VWAP in this area here. Nice order block tap down here. Do we come and tap this or defend these highs? Right, so we're trying to defend here. We still got, yeah, so constructive price action, swing high to swing low. We'll put your golden pocket somewhere in here. VWAP, uptrending momentum. So we're looking for reversal here of this coming down. Could take forever, just saying. And potential continuation, higher highs, higher lows, and push out here. The patience is required on days like this. Today's typically a day like this is a good non-trading day, if I'm being real, but we'll see what we can find. A little bit of patience right here. NASDAQ pump and dump consolidation back within the range. All right, so hanging man, engulfing candle trying to push out here. Hammer candle, sweep of the lows trying to push back. Solana. Solana front running VWAP, bullish divergence in here, trying to push out. A little bit of a bull flag here. Bull divs. I'd prefer sweep and go here. See if it can continue. So non-forcible trades today, guys. I did get a rock in the head yesterday, so I am all polished up for you guys, looking handsome as ever. My God, I don't know. I think I Testadura. That's my no-no's nickname. It's Hardhead, right? He's thick in the skull. But I got smoked yesterday. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's still quite lumpy. I ice it. But it was just like Kill Bill blood, you know? My God. Look at that receding hairline. At least I still got hair, right, Piper? I'm hiding now. I'm hiding my hair. The weed trimmer won. Whoa, that looks weird. I'm holding my coffee mug. Ooh. Magic. He's holding air. How's he doing that with his hand? Oh, man. Too good. Hanging man and golfing candle trying to push out. Same with Solana right now. Decent momentum here. Little trigger wave and curvature to the upside. Looking at Bitcoin. Top-down analysis. Where are we at? What are we looking for? How are we looking to get there, really? When we look at this, it's pretty... It's quite clear. I'm going to restart my mouse. It's lagging. Sometimes you got to turn it on and off again, you know? 90s trick. So when we look at this, we should always, you know, take a look at market cipher, but we got our perfect balloon dog down here. Continuation out, right? So we got double bottom SFP, bullish divergence down here, bullish divergence down here, and bullish divergence down here. So multiple bull divs, right? Nice SFP, nice break of the high. So we have market structure change here. Okay, market structure change. So in order to continue, we want to see consolidation continuation. I'm looking for that sweep. Okay, that is always the one. I don't care how high we go. Obviously, our targets become this liquidity and this liquidity right now. 63,000 is a major volume resistance level. Okay, understand that. 63,000 is a major volume resistance level. 63, man. Look at this thing. Look at this big ass volume nipples. Shout out to Army Piper. Okay, we got big ass nipples up at 63, guys. Okay, so, and then 67, 63, 67 are the only levels that we really need to get above and start trading above. Otherwise, we stay down. Okay, so got some work to do. 63 and 67. Okay, acceptance back into this range. That would be our accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay, that would be that. I mean, I don't trade like that, but I'm aware of these things. You got to be aware of all these smart money concepts. Some of them are dumb money concepts. But if you're making money from whatever, you can do whatever the hell you want, man. We have a really good smart money concept trader in our Discord named Brewberry. Shout out to Brew. He is also a black belt. I love that guy, man. The ninja. So 8 hour looking okay. Money flow is still down here. Overextended to the upside. Same with the 12 hour here. Trigger wave to the downside. Anytime this thing has bobbed its head up, it has gotten slammed. So be aware coming into this weekend that we are overextended. Bullish divergence in here. Great. Great. Do the bull divs work this time? We'll see. Bull div. Push out. Target of this is where it started. So we're looking to come here. Can we break out retest continuation here? We'll see. However, trigger waves with red money flow, even though money flow is coming in, can be nasty. All right. You don't believe me? Go back and test 12-hour trigger waves. It's nasty. Okay, the 8 hours trying to push out as well. But then the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1 has an interesting thing here. And maybe this is why face longed. But you can see you have anchored trigger wave on money flow. You have curvature. Okay, curvature on market cipher is very important. Look at the inward curvature of VWAP here. This is bullish. Okay, you don't see this as often with an anchored trigger curvature. So this is bullish, especially when your momentum is supposed to roll over like this and it starts flattening out. This means buyers stepping up. Okay, so be aware. There is some momentum here. ETFs have started picking up. So ETFs have started following the whales. The whales were accumulating down here. Go look at on-chain data. ETFs have started buying up in here. So there's some hopium for a July rally. Do we get going? We'll see, right? Right now, trying to push, trying to continue into a long weekend. Expect a tweet, right? Expect a tweet. When looking at this price action, I would say this is a sufficient push out in here because it's a breakout retest to previous highs. But this one here concerns me. All right. We may need to come back into here to continue. We got a little bit of double topping up here. We have resistance at 62.5, 63,000, right? However, when they formulate a bottom, they typically do not want to allow people to get long, right? They want to prevent retail from participating, right? That's why we longed here, because we are super retail. I don't know what we are. Call me Lord Otter, King Beaver. Those are my pronouns, okay? So if this, then that. A retest of previous highs would be ideal. So this would be ideal right here, coming back into this area. And then continuing upwards. However, if we start to break down, meaning losing the lows and breaking down here, sure as hell looking for that short up here to potentially come back for the lows. This would be your spring, right? If you're a Wyckoff guy, you'd have your accumulation model here, right? And then your spring, your bounce, your chop, your bounce, your chop, and your continuation out, right? That would be your Wyckoff model. Yet again, another thing I don't necessarily trade, but I'm aware of, right? You got to be aware of all these other technical analysis terms. Elliott wave theory, because it's a theory. I mean, price action, guys. That's it. Price action's king. You guys know that. That's why you guys are here. Oscillators are good. They tell me when not to participate. This tells me don't long here because we're overextended. Pretty good signal, right? Don't long here, we're pretty overextended, right? An oscillator protects you, in my opinion. That's how I treat it. Anything above here, you don't long it. Anything below here, you don't short it. Works out quite well, believe me. It prevents you from taking FOMO trades because this is typically top blasting. Okay, and you can go back and back test every single one of these highs on a 12-minute time frame, and you will see that you probably should not be pressing buy at these levels, right? Probably not a good idea. Oh, this one worked out. There's one. 1 for 1 for 6. That's a great win rate, guys. Thumbs up for war amps. Did you guys used to make fun of that when you were kids? Thumbs up for war amps. So terrible. 90s kids, man. Oh man. As I have like my good friend Army Piper family in here making war jokes. What an a-hole on a Friday. Take that, Army. Only one word, bro. Retail. We love retail, man. We got to get our piece too. You should see the curvatures of my neighbor. Are you one of those peepers? Are you a peeping Tom there, Philip? Uh-oh. Watch out, guys. Kodak's in the chat too. So that's where we're at. We'll see where we get to, though. I'm optimistic. Let's put it that way. This is a nice grind up. Great long on the live stream yesterday, everybody. Incredible. We took that coffee long together, and it printed. It definitely printed. Where was the coffee long? The coffee long was great yesterday. Grind it up though. Holy smokes. Did it take forever? Absolutely. But did we take it? Absolutely. That was here, right? Yeah. That was a great long, guys. Great long on the live stream yesterday. If you are new here, welcome. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Taking the trades, showing the trades, signals, setups, all that stuff. Never financial advice. I ain't your dad. Just be safe, okay? We're live scalping every single day, showing you guys the accounts, showing you guys everything. Thank you for supporting the channel, smashing that like button. We even live stream on holidays for, And we only have 90 likes here today, so I don't know why we're here. We should just go and chill, but we're here. Great trade setup yesterday. And we'll see if Bitcoin wants to continue up here. Slow grind up. Slow grind up. Patience right now. I think the long is down here. Could we be short in here? I'm going to go and get some more coffee. Maybe you guys can get those likes up. And we'll continue on our merry way today. I'll stop talking through the Otter Gang life, man. Here you go.
It's an Otter Gang life for us. It's an Otter Gang life for us.
Instead of top blasting,
Take bass hits.
instead of round tripping,
Take the bits.
it's another gang.
Otter Gang life for us.
Hey, 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 yeah, huh. We do not trade the chop.
We do not buy the pop.
Get out of your wanking chariot today. That is how a gang gets paid. No namby-pamby on the chart. No douche canoes, play it smart. Wait for the VWAP slap to print the load. Take the money and run, watch it grow.
It's an Otter Gang life for us. It's an Otter Gang life for us.
Instead of top blasting,
Take bass hits.
instead of round tripping,
Take the bits.
it's another gang.
Otter Gang life.
Lord leads the way. Take the pink box every day. Sweep the lows, get the friction on. Take the money and run till it is gone. Small wins, small losses, that is the rule. Don't get noodle slap acting like a fool. We identify as pre-rich in this place. Don't let the market punch you in the face.
It's an Otter Gang life for us. It's an Otter Gang life for us.
Instead of top blasting,
Take bass hits.
instead of round tripping,
Take the bits.
it's another gang.
Otter Gang life.
Bass hits, bass hits, bass
The coffee long always works, man. This thing is cheeky little bugger. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. You guys just here to take coffee longs, I swear. Yeah. That's all right. I don't blame you guys. Slurp. Oh, Solana looks good too. That little trigger wave in here. Whew. Let's go, baby. Nice push. Nice push. Bitcoin a little bit slower than Solana. Solana looks a lot better. We'll see if it does want to continue here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Hanging out here. We always lose 30, 40 people every time we go for a coffee, man. You guys think I got stamina like that? Come on, I saved that for my wife. You guys ain't that important. Happy Friday. Happy July 4th weekend. We'll see where we get to here. Fair value gap tap. Solana looking good. ETH looking good. You guys looking good. You guys getting long or what? What's going on, FJ? Good to see you, man. Alex with the 2-inch Punisher, yeah. She said, give me 4 inches and make it hurt. So you F them twice and slap them. That's the joke. Stamina. Yeah. Hit with the pastry roller again. Watch out. Looks like it's in Canada, it looks like a button on a fur coat. Come on, let's be real. So now that you have a Bitunix account, yeah, so you gotta deposit it and trade, right? The details are in the website where you do it. So if we look here at our beautiful lucky draw for everybody, where is it here? Copy link, and we go to our lucky draw for this week. You can see it'll tell you down below. Below and behold, right? So your lucky draw here. Right, well, we'll do the lottery, but it says right here, it shows you deposits, tickets, trading volume, right? And the rules are down here. 1,000, you get a ticket. 2,000, you get 3. 5,000, you get 5. Depending on your volume, you get more as well. And then you enter the draw, you go to the lottery, and I pull the lottery, and we do $5,000 giveaways every week. Every week. Did I get you guys with that joke? Sorry. 2 inches and slap? She said, give me 4 inches and make it hurt. So I effed her twice and slapped her. You've never heard that joke, guys? Carpenter jokes are just... It's Friday. I have to bust at least one raunchy joke on a Friday, guys. It's normally give me 7 inches and make it hurt, right? Oh, this is why people come on Fridays, because Alex is getting on. Alex's filter is on tilt. Off the rails on a Friday. That's the way. Wagwan, Philly. Good to see you, bro. This could be a Head and Shoulders. Yeah, could be. Could be Head and Shoulders neckline here. Fair value gap tap. AlexO after dark. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Stop whining. I mean, I think it's by design. We try to I mean, people are, it's not like I'm afraid to say shit on the internet, but you know, I think back, like, if my son, like, if I die, my son goes back and watches my YouTube videos to kind of hang out. I want me to be me, you know? Have some fun, have some laughs, talk some shit, right? That kind of deal. It's kind of cool to think about. That there'll always be, like, hours and years of his father on the interwebs. He probably doesn't give two shits, but, you know, as he's sitting here 30 years later and crying, right? You never know, man. Life is cool. It's like, oh, my dad used to tell this joke. Oh, shit. My God. Nice push here. NASDAQ climbing back up here, showing some strength. This is good. Same with Solana here, trying to break out and get going. Nice push for the altcoins right now. ETH, Solana, TRB, Fartcoin, TIA, Injective, Pepe, Near. The AI is going for a little bit of a run. BitTensor, Tau. How's the Discord doing with that Tau setup? We're about to go to Valhalla, baby. Let's go. Yeah, we doing it. GG's Discord. Discord's always on fire. I mean, if it's not me just giving you spoon feeding, it's someone else. Into fair value gap here. Continuation up. Solana pushing. Oh, we got that bull flagging here. So we'll see if we do push. We don't have, no market open. It's 9:11 right now. Can we continue? Right now, just trying to remain patient. Thank you for being here and slapping that like button, though. We're actually at 130 likes, so I do appreciate you guys smacking that button today. Discord live today after the stream. I don't know how long we're gonna stay live. I don't know if we're gonna take any trades today. I mean, it might be one of those days where it's we become a handyman and we sit on our hands all day. Florida, you're in the Tau trade that I gave everybody yesterday. Let's go. Let's go, Florida. GG's, my man. I am India. Let's go. I am India. Do you do thumbnails? I am Canada. Biddy's got legs. That coffee long's printing, man. Holy. Printing for a non-market open Friday. That's what I say when I mean printing. If we had closed below this low here, I would be short right now. But I'm not, because we haven't. Our 12-minute low is still down here, guys. Right here. 15-minute low? Yeah, we have a 15-minute low here. That's fair enough. We can front run it here. Looking for a break here. Beautiful push. Standard deviation 1 holding nicely here. Solana about to break out. Looks like it. Looks like it. Overextended. Needs to come back to retest the highs and then maybe up. No trade right now. Still waiting, guys. News data next week. Nothing spectacular. ISM, FOMC minutes, and existing homes. So I think next week's going to be a fun trading week because I think it's pretty much in the clear for data. How about that goal in stoppage time for Portugal? I mean, World Cup's been pretty wild, man. And then Croatia. Did you guys see what happened in Croatia? Close-up appears to show no contact between the player's head and the ball. Did you guys see that? No contact. So they called him offside. They called him offside from contact. So the ball's getting crossed in here. So contact here means the guy is clearly offside, right? I don't see contact, guys. The ball did not move at all. Look, the ball did not move. The ball does not move. Do we have to go super slow-mo? Let's go in super slow-mo this bitch. The ball does not move any direction differently. Just saying. It's rigged. It's all rigged. I mean, you give them bread and entertainment, right? You guys don't look at inflation. You don't look at Epstein files. You don't look at whatever, right? What a perfect time to fight with Iran. You know, just look this way, guys, right? Get your Cheetos, your $20 bag of Cheetos, and enjoy the football game. Right? Get your Cheetos. They used audio to call it. It's the intention to touch it. Does that apply for sexual assault too? Because all y'all going to jail. Oh, it's Friday. It is Friday. Oh, man. Get out of my spank bank, says Dave Digital. The planet would be in jail, my guy. So is it? What about the intention to touch his balls then, right? Oh man, you guys are killing me today, man. I mean, the Croatians aren't happy. My friend Stipe Verdoliak, it's got to be Iak at the end, right? The Croatian sensation. He used to call me the Italian stallion, you know? He ain't happy. Oh, man. We're just mad because XRP price floor is stable at $1, right? Oh, man. At least they're keeping us entertained while they, inflate our money to high hell and rob us. That's all inflation is. It's just robbery, right? It's just clear robbery. Major Bitcoin update. Jason Casper. My bell notifications actually worked. Holy smokes. Anybody find that those things never work? What's Face looking at?
Okay, there it is. Got it.
Okay, he long still on ETH and Biddy. I already checked in on Face. God bless Face. If you're not subscribed to Crypto Face, I don't know. Are we doing a market cipher sale? Are we doing a market cipher sale? Where's Jason Casper? Didn't he just come out with a video? Videos. 59 minutes ago. Guys, go to this video here. All right.
Specifically, and right now we are being set up for a massive
I'm gonna do a giveaway
trap. We're gonna see people get
right now, everybody. Here's the giveaway. Go over to Jason Casper's new market update here. So I'm gonna put it in the chat here. Go over to Jason Casper's market update. All right. Go comment Otter Gang. Otter Gang. Maybe throw some otters in there. Okay.
wrecked. We're gonna see people get fooled, but for
Go
those of us
like
who are
and
paying
subscribe to
attention, we are
Jason
being set up
Casper.
for an amazing
Absolute
opportunity
legend.
that we want to see
Paving
in
the
order to
way.
potentially get a move up to 67.
Paving the way for us
0.005%
degenerate
limit,
traders. He's up
0.0
13
with
grand
secret
here.
Way or low.
He's giving the sauce away every day for free. He's absolute gorgeous muscle man. Showing you guys the rounded bottoms, higher lows, potential opportunities, potential trade setups. Giving you guys everything. We're going to do the comment. We're going to do a free month giveaway to our Discord right now. So go comment Otter Gang on his video, please. All right. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Jason Casper. He's a good human, God loving. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, comment picker. Let me copy this thing here. Let's see if it works. Hopefully it works. Sometimes, you know, we get too many comments on other people's videos. It doesn't work. I ain't going to pay for this comment picker. I ain't no comment. I'm not a nose picker. I'm just a comment picker. All right. We only got one comment. What? Not enough otters in the chat? You guys all commenting Otter Gang in here? You guys want a free membership or no?
I tell you, things are about to.
I gotta see more Otter Gangs in here. I see a lot of them. Look at that. There we go. There we go. Utterly fantastic. Beautiful. Happy Friday. 12. If you are already a member, we'll give you some USDT, man. One comment. What is this thing? Is this thing on absolute drugs? One comment. There's only one winner, guys. Look, it is. This is not who wins, by the way. All right. This comment picker is shite. So we're just going to do the good old scroll hole here, guys. And if I select your name, I select your name. Let me go. I'll refresh it for you guys, just so you guys get in.
I tell you, things are.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just a bachelor, looking for a partner, someone who knows how to without even falling on. I'll be compatible, to push me to my limits, when I'm breaking you off. Winner, Isaac. Isaac wins. Isaac, I think you won last time, man. Congratulations, Isaac. GG's to Isaac. GG's, Isaacian. Come over and claim your prize in the Discord. God bless you, bro. Thank you for being here, hanging out with the family, man. Isaac, GG's. Oh my God, it's rigged. It's all rigged. Control F plus the sum of the randomizer could also work. So what, we like Control F on the video? So if I went to the video and then I Control F'd it, that works? Maybe that would work too, yeah, because it's so annoying that randomizer is just like,
right? And obviously,
so bad. So bad. Thank you guys for going and supporting Casper. Casper, you know, we got to pay homage to those who've paved the road in front of us, right? It's very important that we pay respect. Respect is
I tell you, things are
earned, not given. So we go to randomizer, and then what? Pick a number. Randomizer, and then we could get Grok to give us a number. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll go to randomizer, and then we'll get Grok to give us a number from now on. That's cool, man. That's how we're going to do it. We'll go Control F, Otter, and then we'll get Grok to give us a number between 1 and whatever amount of comments there are. That's how we'll do it next time. I like that idea. Thank you for that. Chop at the top, guys. Coming into market not open in 4 minutes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 330 people here. Thank you for hanging out on a beautiful long weekend. It is a long weekend. We should just play like some Counter-Strike or something. Hang out and just play video games. Maybe some Diablo. Go and kill some monsters or something. Or skate. Skate. We'll play some skate. D4, we'll go play some D4. Yeah, I'm running D4. I'm a big D2 player. Like I'm a big D2 player. I still have my old Diablo 2 account. If you can't see it down here, it's down here. I don't game like I used to, man. I don't got time for that. But I just downloaded D4, the new expansion, last night because I haven't been able to golf. So I wanted to the hammered in meta. Do you want to see my hammered in? I'll show you my hammered in if you want to see it. Nobody wants to see my hammered in, but we'll show them anyways because we can. I think it needs to update. Is Blizzard updating right now? Yeah, D4 does need to update. D2. Nice push here. Continuation up. Imagine being one of these guys who just get paid to stream. All you do is play stupid video games all day long. Sir Odin. King Puddin. That's the guy. I've moved all my gear over. What about my Javazon? Let's go Javazon. We're pushing right now on Biddy. You guys like my I got Spirit, I got Phoenix, Vex, Low Jaw, Call to Arms, Griffins, Enigma. Alright. Razortail, Wartravs, Skillers. I mean, this thing is a cow plowing mofo. Teleporting machine, Javazon. Cha. Cha. All day, every day, baby. Cha. I haven't even done my bows. I haven't even done my. Oh. All right. Cha. We go kill some cows on the live stream right now. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, moo, moo. We gotta kill some. I've never killed cows on a live stream before. Moo, 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 moo. Moo. I need mana. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Bitcoin's pushing. Anyways. Let's get back to trading, guys. Come on. This isn't a Diablo stream. What do you guys think? Did I prove my worth to you as a Diablo player? I think so. It still makes the cow. Print the damn div. Yeah, we're looking for the sweep here. I got all the characters, guys. Moo. The wife and I played Diablo for a bit. I mean, if you play hardcore, that's challenging. We have market opened right now, guys. This is... I like Solana for a short here, potentially. Nasdaq's flying, though. Like, why are we... Don't fight this thing. Nasdaq flying. We don't have ES here. ES looks strong still. Yes, very similar rounded bottom here trying to push out. Looking for a continuation until proven otherwise, right? Like literally needs to break this low. Like, otherwise we're going up, right? We just have this bull flag here trying to push out. Sweep of the lows. Retest to previous highs. Continuation up. Nasdaq up. Solana up. No breakout yet. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out here. Don't forget, it's all about, did he have the intention to touch your butt? Did he have the intention to head the ball into the net? It's all about intention today, guys. What's your intention? Did you intend to put a stop loss and get liquidated? Just futures is open for half a day, I believe, Pink. 3-minute tweezer top. I play PoE. Yeah, I like PoE as well. PoE is good. Kind of waiting for them to kind of figure it out with the it's a bit too much for the skill tree and shit like that, but PoE is fun. I like PoE. I like the new Druid build. But I don't have time for PoE. PoE is like, have you guys seen the skill tree on PoE? Holy shit. Right now I'm playing Diablo 4 just to finish, not to play it, guys, because Diablo 4 I think is trash. But the storyline, just to finish the storyline, they came out with a new class and all this shit. $50. So I figured a round of golf's $50. I can't golf. I need some sort of... For me, it's important, like as a trader, is to be able to shut down your mind a little bit. right? I always got a trade in the back of my head on Bitcoin. Like there's always a friggin' trade there. Where's the price? Where's it going? Well, if this happens, it's always going on. So that's why I golf. That's why I like physical exercise as well. Something to mind numb. Like it's intentional mind numbing though. It's not like I just go and jerk off and play Diablo all day long. I don't have time for that. I run a business. I run the Discord. I day trade all day long. Right? There's priorities, but there's a time and a place where you need to shut it down a little bit, right? And you got to find that for yourself, right? Otherwise, you're over trading. You're trading on tilt. You're always, on edge, which is never good, man. Unless you're Dave. He loves edging. PoE is better than Diablo every time. Yes. Not better than Diablo 2, though. There's a nostalgic value there that you just can't compete with that nostalgia. You can't compete when you're 12 years old and you drop your first win force for your Amazon in Diablo 2. Like, you can't beat that. It's just nostalgic. It doesn't mean the game is better nor worse. It's just nostalgic, man. You can't. It's like saying, the new Zelda is better than, N64 Zelda. It's just not, Rotation down here. Overextended, retested previous highs on NASDAQ. Lots of liquidity creation here. Hanging man engulfing candle to the downside. Could consider a short into VWAP. I feel like we're splitting hairs here today, guys. How much is this? This is like 0.5%, not even. Not even 0.5%. Yeah, we're very much splitting hairs here. Trend is still up. Doji engulfing, continuation down, resetting here. Buyers trying to step up and push up price. NASDAQ holding, trying to push up as well. ES holding, range bound. $63, dump to 54, and then Monday back to 60. Yeah, I could see that. 63 makes sense. Just waiting right now. It's just a waiting game right now. At least we get to give you guys some money before we go out. I mean, I don't know. What football matches do we got today? I think, what do we got going on here? I don't watch the games anymore, though. I don't have time to watch soccer. I'd rather hang out with my son and kick the ball around. Australia and Egypt, Argentina, Cabo Verde, Colombia, Ghana. So Australia, Argentina, and Colombia. Australia, Argentina, and Ghana. That's my picks. Canada on Saturday, man. Canada and Morocco. We're gonna Moroccan them. Moroccan. There's some bad joke there. I'm excited for hockey, man. That's what I'm excited for. But you guys know me. I'm a hockey freak. Yeah. This price action, not so good. 21,450 subscribers, guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. That's awesome. I'm trying to make a little bit more tutorial videos on trading and stuff for you guys. Not trying to give it all away, but I'm trying to help you guys as well. I gave you guys a wick test video. It seems like a lot of you guys like that video, so thanks for supporting the channel there. Try to make some longer content for you guys so that you guys can learn some stuff as well. $350 people here on the live, 151 likes. That's 50%. Thank you guys. Close enough. The grind, man. The grind. Nasdaq's moving today pretty good. Bitcoin holding here. Slow grind up. Resetting. Resetting. Patience, 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 baby. Patience. I like all your stuff, Alex. It's clear, concise, funny, and motivating. Thank you, Lord Otter. Thanks, Notorious. God bless you, bro. Thank you for being here. You're Moroccan. We will win Canada. Yeah, your English won't win, though. Sorry. Maybe try to use the word beat. You know, like, sorry, it's Friday. Egypt will beat Australia. They just go on the na 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 na. Sorry, I can't resist, man. Oh man, Alex, stop being rude. He said Moroccan's gonna win Canada, man. First, you come into my stream and you insult my country, saying you're gonna beat my ass. And then you don't even say it properly. Insult me properly. And it's Friday. That's it, right? Elbows down. Oh, fuck. Nice push here. Nasdaq's still rolling over. Oh, ES is moving. All right. ES is moving. Take the high already, man. Ugh. I got, this is true, Marius. You got me. You got me, man. A win is a win. We beat the Netherlands, and now you're next, my friend. I mean, Canada plays hockey, so like a victory against Canada in football is not like an accomplishment. I don't even know how we're in this final 16. So Morocco's got a pretty easy job, in my opinion. Can Moroccans skate? No. Okay. So what would be a fair tilt between Moroccans and Canadians? Because hockey's not fair. I don't think football is fair either. I mean, the Canadian football team. This is the thing. Like, the Canadian football team, the list of names ain't very Canadian. All right? I mean, I'm happy they're doing all right, but if we look at, like, if we look at the names on the Canadian team, I mean, I don't see them playing much hockey, you know? We got a Millar, but everybody else, and a Johnston. So our team doesn't look very. I don't think you guys see these guys lacing up the skates anytime soon, right? Right. We got Cornelius, and Bombito, and Larea, and Saliba, and Westaquilo, Quio. I mean, the only one who really has a Canadian name is Johnston. He's in a schlong all the time. He's in a big Johnson. But hey, that's all I know, man. Orb is in. Sweep of this high here. Bearish divergence now. Are those not Canadians? I mean, I'm sure they were born here. Have them play basketball. I mean, we have Shea Gildress Alexanders, so we'll gladly play Morocco in basketball. We love Canada no matter what happens on the pitch. This game is about bringing people together, wishing both teams a great match filled with respect and friendship. See, that's what I love, man. GG's Ismail. Let's get GG's Ismail. Let's go, baby. I love your attitude, bro. God bless you and your family. Thank you for being here and hanging out and clicking buttons with us, man. Like we say, we talk shit and have fun here. If you can't take a joke, you can leave. That's fine. But, you know, at the end of the day, it's all love and fun, man. GG's, baby. Front running that high. Continuation up here. Halfway down the candle. Continuation up for Solana. Potentially. I want to see that high taken, man. Push. Push up. Nasdaqian trying to push. ES. Oh, sweep of the lows bounce. Continuation up here. Steve Rugland for sure, man. Good fun. Belgium to the finals. I'm very Billy Madison. Yeah, you got that right, man. You know, if I don't make fun of you, I don't like you. That's kind of like how I am. Right? Homie. Except leftists, we're not joking about you. I mean, the left can stay left. We still love you guys. I mean, just stay away from our children. But that's all. That's all I ask. Sweep of the highs coming back down. Wickety. Wickety. But you're still not ready for the four elements earth. Hi, my name. Boom, Scrappy. No trade, still waiting. This is a waiting game today, guys. The head is worse than I thought. Yeah. You can joke with Belgium, we can take it. I mean, Belgium I just think of chocolate. That's it. I mean, that's it. You could do your top-down analysis. Argentina and France. Spain looks good, though. I think Spain looks good, man. Spain and France look deadly. Deadly, mate. I think England upsets, though. I think England is due. All right, here we go. Let's do the poll, man. You guys all are profitable this week. You guys are all pre-rich. All right, let's do an actual poll. All right, top teams. Who wins? I would say we have Spain, England, France, and Argentina, right? Can we all agree on that? All right. I would say these are I like France and Portugal. I like Portugal. But let's be real, guys. Who looks the best right now? I would say these four. I would say these four. I would go. We got to do a pick now that we're in the final 16, guys. All right, I gotta come up with a pick. I'm not gonna say Canada. It's gonna be France. Bonjour, Mbappe. This is a good battle here. I like this, guys. Who's going to win? Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Break it down now. Beatbox. Push it. Boom, 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 boom. Push it. Come on, Biddy. Let's go, ya nambe bambe. Breaking out right now. Mexico and England. There we go. Taking that high. Sweep. Here's that sweep. And push. Go, Bitcoin. Be free. Be free, ya nambe pambe. Be free. High has been taken here. Z high has been taken. SFP SFP on Solana. Dump it, baby. Dump it, baby. We wait all day for you to take it to trade. We're up. We are up. Quarter position size. I don't want to F with this thing too much today, guys. But I make it money. We wait all day for SFP. And France is going to win. France is going to win. Oh my God, that took forever. Oh, now I can just relax. I've made enough for groceries to buy some hot dogs this weekend. SFP, Solana. Dump it. I mean, GG's in the chat, I guess. Wee wee. Je n'appelle your daddy. Let's go, GG's, man. GG's. I mean, I ain't gonna full port this thing, but SFP. You guys. I still think it can go up, but this is a sweeping dump potentially. This is still bullish, guys. I just taken the SFP for a little pocket change here. It's still bullish. This is a breakout retest continuation up. You typically want to see the candle close back within the range before you justify taking this short. I front ran it. Look at that entry, man. Dump it. Dump it to 0. Yeah, we get back. I mean, if we Bart Simpson this thing, whew, this could be the entry of a lifetime. Bart Simpson brings us all the way back down here. No Simpson. Anybody else like doing this? Oh my God, if I had held that trade, I would be rich, but I didn't. I mean, the SFP is much higher for Solana, and Solana is pretty bullish. So we'll see. Dump it. I'm not overly concerned with trading today, but we're up $63. That's some wieners and beans for this weekend. Buy you 4 boxes of strawberries in Canada. You guys all want the France to win, eh? You want the frogs to win. We love the frogs. Je ne parle français bien. Je parle français un petit mot. Sometimes good, sometimes not so good, you know? Why you want the dump? I mean, when you look at price, okay, on the higher term time frames, is this where we want to long? In general, in my opinion, let's look at this. Do we have better chance? Okay, let's look at this objectively. If we are long or short here, do you think we have better chance to win this trade? Or do we have better chance to win this trade? 1 or 2, guys. Long or short here? After the prices move like this, which one do you think we have more chance of winning? What does the chat think? Okay. Or you just enter both and pray, right? Spray and pray. That's, it's like those guys with the auto pump shotgun in Counter-Strike. Or they're so broke because they've lost 4 rounds in a row and they're using the Uzi now because they can't afford the MP5. You know, those guys. Solana SFP short taken. Looking to come back into imbalanced VWAP minimum. Probably target the lows of the range here. If it works. I mean, stop loss to entry. Who cares, right? We're up. Pretty fun stream today, guys. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. We've talked a little bit of extra shit today. Probably going to get banned from the YouTube. But we'll do the giveaway today, guys. Alex should split this between the only 2 people paying attention, which is Alexander G and Dave Digital. Happy 4th of July, my friend. King Crypto, God bless you. I will split that between these 2. I have both of their DMs. I'm in their DMs, King Crypto. So Alexander G and Dave Digital, the Mod Queen, and Dave. I'll give you guys some beautiful mullahs. God bless you, Mr. King himself. King himself. Hey, everybody. Are we all short or what? You're welcome. King Crypto emojis in the chat. Send it to 0. I think we caught the best trade of the day. All right. Put 2 in the chat if you're short. Let's go. Send it. I'm taking more profits up 150 bucks now. Sweet, man. We got our new Dave Digital song. We took the short on the live stream because we were so bloody patient, mate.
It's an auto gang life for us. It's an auto gang life for us.
Instead of top blasting,
Take base hits.
instead of round tripping,
Take the bits.
it's an auto gang.
Auto gang life for us.
Let's go. Otters in the chat, baby. 2s in the chat.
We do not trade the chop.
We do not buy the pop.
Get out
Congratulations,
of your ranking
ADR,
challenge.
Mr.
It's how
Starfish
a gang
Consulting.
gets paid.
500 USDT.
On the chop, no douche canoes, play it smart. Wait for the VWAP slap to print the load. Take the money and run. Watch it grow.
It's an auto gang life for us. It's an auto gang life for us.
Instead of top blasting,
Congratulations, BEL. God bless you, bro. Let's do the $1,000 giveaway, the final one.
the way. Take the pink box every day. Sweep the lows, get the friction on. Take the money and run till it is gone. Small wins, small losses, that is the rule. Don't get noodle slap.
Let's go, baby. This is
We
sick.
identify as pre-rich in this place. Don't let the market punch you in the
BRU, Hilton Farms. Congratulations, man. $1,000. Use it wisely. Crypto King bless in the chat. $2,000 giveaway. Short taken with the family.
take the bits.
What a fucking stream, considering.
It's an auto gang life for us. It's an auto gang life for us.
Instead of top blasting,
Take base hits.
instead of round tripping.
Take the bits. It's an auto gang.
Life.
Beautiful.
Making crypto.
Gonna jump into the I'm gonna close that trade out there. I'm happy with that. Maybe add to it. No, I'm out. $200. Happy days. Close that trade out. Base hits. It's Friday. I'm gonna jump into the Discord and do a larger top-down analysis right now. God bless you guys. Thank you, Crypto King, for the $250. Holy shit, man. I gotta give Dave and Alexander G some money. God bless you, everybody. It's been a fun stream, guys. I definitely appreciate you guys being here, hanging out, taking the trades, showing the trades every single day. It's been a fun week. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexO.